In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Controlla voice account. So if you want to create the Controlla voice account, first of all open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in voice.controlla.xyz. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Controlla Voice. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log in to the Controlla Voice account. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for sign up. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Either you'll be continue with Google or you can also continue with email. So simply click on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter the email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email address and enter it over here. Now create a strong password for yourself. Now once you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and your account will be created. Now also follow through the prompts in order to create the model using your voice. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Controlla Voice account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.